So I'm Dan. We'd work with Dave, the electrician, to spec in some architectural lighting around our home. We were just looking to do some accent lighting, and he gave us some recommendations for things that would expand upon that. We had reviewed a couple quotes and options. We'd called DS as a consult, and Dave himself showed up, went through the process of how it works when working with him, the type of lighting, the environment, the install, and he assured us that the quote is firm, which was important to me. Specifically, we chose DS because through the consult, he understood what we were looking for. He knew the system in and out, gave us a demonstration. He was kind enough to let us to do a drive-by of another residence, so we saw it in action. Being a little bit newer, we were a little apprehensive. We haven't seen it around that much, but he made it really simple, and he was there for calls, questions, texts even, which is nice and easy to work with. And in the end, he did have the best product, so that just made the choice easier than going with anybody else. And his price was fair, so that of course was the icing on the cake. DS was great. They were simple to work with. They showed up when they said they would, completed the job faster than they had anticipated, which is always nice. And other than the improvement itself, left no trace of them being here, which is always pleasant too.